Hello everyone, William with Alliance Concrete Pumps. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we want to review e-stops. On a concrete pump, there are 5 e-stops. There's 2 on the passenger side, 1 on the rear switch box, and 2 on the driver's side. Every 6 months, you should inspect the insides of your e-stop boxes for moisture, dirt, rust, corrosion. So today we're just going to open up the box here. I want to show you guys inside the box. So there's going to be the e-stop button here. Should check function, should push in easy, should release, no problem, twist and release. There's a horn button, you can also inspect that, make sure your horn's functioning. When you've got the box open here, you'll see that there's 2 sets of contacts. There's going to be the normally closed contacts, which is for the e-stop. There's going to be the normally open contact, which is for the horn. So to inspect the contacts, you can actually take and remove, there's a little metal tab. You can take and remove the contact. You can inspect it, make sure it's functioning correctly. You can take your contact cleaner and spray the contact, clean the contacts, and then you're going to take your dielectric grease and apply dielectric grease to here to prevent corrosion. If your e-stop becomes loose, if the button is loose, you can also take, there's another little clip here, you can take and remove this tab. You'll see that there's a nut here, you can grab a pair of pliers, tighten up the nut. To reinstall this clip, make sure the metal clip side is down, reinstall the same position like so, and then to reinstall the contact, you're going to do the same thing. It kind of rocks into place, so I can just show that one more time. To remove it, and then to reinstall, there's the clip. It just pushes in like so. Contacts back on. Once this is all clean, make sure there's 2 drain holes in the bottom here. These 2 drain holes are free of debris. Also clean out if there's any debris in here, clean this out. And you can reinstall your emergency stop box. Do not over tighten these screws, they are plastic. So you only want like a couple foot-pounds, 3-4 foot-pounds on those screws to prevent them from stripping out. If you guys have any questions about e-stop maintenance or anything to do with the electrical on the e-stop circuit, please give our service department a call.